let's take a look at some Schluter products. So this is their drain. This is a 4-inch drain. Now you can buy this separately from the actual drain itself that you need to make this whole system work. If you lose this, which can happen when you're building a shower or something like that, we've lost them before and sometimes you need to replace them. So you can get this, you can get it in stainless steel, you can get it in satin, you can get it in all different finishes, but this is 3 different pieces. So this all comes apart. I'm just gonna pull the 2 off right now. That's your ring. Then this plastic piece attaches to this drain cover. It snaps on. I'm not actually going to pull this off. It's on there pretty good. But if you need to clean your drain, there's 2 screws. You can undo that and you can actually get into the drain and into the P-trap. So keep in mind, if you are installing a Schluter system, Schluter drain kit, you have to have this as well. So you can buy this separately, or if you already have one and you've lost parts like I've done in the past, then you can just buy this and it all connects together. The beautiful thing about Schluter is that you can adjust the height. So once you set this down and you've got your floor tile coming in, you can actually tighten this up. So this is just these 3 items right here. Guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.